Hello all, welcome to my channel about Nektar Aruba, or formerly Nektar Aruba Beat Composer, drum pad and sequencer device. This video is made for explaining how users of this device can backup and restore data on their unit. Let's begin. First of all, we need to understand why backup and restore on Nektar Aruba or Nektar Aura device is an important point for us. You probably make many changes on Nektar Aruba or Aura device when using the unit. You change some presets, you change pad settings, you program the sequencer, and maybe you assign device buttons and knobs for your related DAW software or for your VSTs. If you face on some point a failure and you need to reset the device to factory defaults, you will probably lose all the data that you changed or customized on the unit. This is something that you will not be happy, and for preventing a data loss, you need to back up those customizations and sequencer data in order to keep it safe. Nektar Aruba or Aura is capable of backup and restore this data for you and keep it on a sysx file on your PC. So this is an important point for you. It is also important that after changing some presets and unit data, you may want to revert back to the previous state of the unit. Also, if you upgrade the firmware on the unit, it is possible that you may lose your customized settings. In order to prevent the data loss, you can back up the unit's data to your PC, and after firmware upgrade, you will revert back to your previous state by restoring backed up data into Nektar Aruba or Aura. It is also possible to copy your customized settings to another Nektar Aruba or Aura and continue to work with the new unit. So in brief, you can backup and restore the data on the unit in the following scenarios. You want to save current state of the unit to your PC for keeping it safe. You do a firmware upgrade and you want to prevent losing the data within the unit. You changed many parameters on the unit for testing purposes. I mean, you changed a lot of things and you don't want to revert back one by one the changes that you made on the unit, and you want to restore all of them in one click. Or you want to copy your unit settings to another device and continue with the new unit. On all those cases, you need to backup and restore the unit to previous settings. By performing a backup of the unit, you may wonder what settings are included on the backup file. All your pad settings, including pad velocities, pad colors, pad MIDI assignments, preferences, all customized presets on the unit. All sequencer programmed data, including collections, patterns, and steps, are included on the backup file and are saved to your PC. For the backup and restore purposes, you need some prerequisites. For performing backup or restore, you need the Nektarine software. This is a software that comes with your Nektar Aruba or Aura unit, and it can be downloaded from Nektartech website. You need to be sure that you're okay with the latest changes on the unit. This means that you saved all the changes that you made on the unit. You need to connect your Nektar Aruba or Aura unit to your PC via USB 2.0 cable. If you are using the unit as a standalone device for backup and restore, you need to connect it to your PC. The backup or restore procedure is pretty the same, and if you want to backup or restore the unit, you can follow this procedure. First of all, connect your Nektar Aruba or Aura unit to your PC via USB 2.0 cable, and be sure that it is detected automatically on your Windows Device Manager. Then, if you didn't do so, please go to Nektar website that I wrote the link on the screen. And if you didn't register your device yet, please create an account and register your device. If you don't register your device, you cannot download Nektarine software from Nektar website. So this is important that you prepare your device serial number and register it with your account on Nektar website. Then after registering the unit, download Nektarine software for your PC. Close all the applications that are possibly can use Nektar Aruba or Aura on your PC, for example, any DAWs or MIDI controller programs or standalone VSTs. After Nektarine is downloaded from Nektar website, go and install it on your PC. Then run the Nektarine software. If you have another Nektar product like Panorama P1 MIDI controller along your Nektar Aruba or Aura connected to your PC, for example, when you run Nektarine, it will ask you which device you want to use for the setup. Select Aruba as the device and click OK button. After selecting Aruba as the device for setup, you will see Nektarine main window, and on the top right corner, check that there is a purple rectangle fillet and it shows that your Aruba or Aura is successfully connected to Nektarine. From this time on, do not touch your Nektar Aruba or Aura unit. After connection to Nektarine, Nektar Aruba or Aura will show on its display a mixer mode. This also confirms that you're connected to Nektarine. After confirming the connection, please go and click the settings icon on the Nektarine software. From settings, select Aura backup link in order to backup or restore the unit. To backup the unit, click Backup button. To restore the unit, click Restore button. If you backed up previously the unit and want to backup again, the previous backup will be overwritten. Nektarine will warn you about this, so be careful if you backup more than once. You can copy the backup or restore file from the location indicated on next slides. By copying the backup or restore file, you prevent Nektarine to overwrite it. If you want to copy the file to a safe place and keep it until you decide that you don't need it anymore. Backup or restore operation can take up to 10 minutes to complete. During this time, do not touch any button or do not turn any knob on the unit. During this time, do not open any related DAW software or MIDI controlling program because it can interrupt backup or restore operation. You will see a progress bar and percentage of the ongoing operation on the screen. If you wonder where the backup or restore file is located on Windows, here is the location. Replace your username with your current username and go to this directory if you want to copy this file to another place. Backup or restore file name includes the date and time and indicates when the backup is performed. It is similar to the file name shown on the screen. This is a sys file of Nektar Aruba or Aura. We'll discuss sys files in other videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked backup and restore features and how to use it with Nektarine. If you face any problem, please go and create a support case on Nektar website. They are very responsive and will revert back to you with a solution shortly. Please follow us in the future. Take care and have a nice day. Enjoy music and enjoy Nektar products. Hoping to see you on the next videos. Bye.